So do you also wish to generate the sales pitch automatically through a pricing list using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to convert pricing sheets into sales pitch scripts using AI. So as a sales manager, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the sales pitch. And after generating the pitch, automatically that should be updated in my Google Sheets under a specific column. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Sheets again using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically turn your pricing sheets into powerful sales pitch scripts using AI. This will help you present your offers more confidently and close deals faster. Alright, so as you all know that as a sales professional, I often work with detailed pricing sheets that list all our products, services and the cost. But reading straight from a pricing sheet isn't always the best way to engage potential clients. So I use AI to automatically turn those pricing details into well-structured sales pitch scripts. This saves me time and helps me present the information in a more persuasive and conversational way. It ensures I'm focusing on value, benefits and key talking points instead of just listing prices. This way I sound more confident and close deals more effectively. Alright, so here on the screen you can see the Google Sheet that I've already created with the name sales pitch. And here you can see the fields that I've added over here such as the product name, key benefit, target audience, price, USP and the pitch generated. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheet such as product name, key benefit, target audience, price or USP, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate a pitch for that product and should be added over here in the pitch generated column over here like this. Alright, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to add a new detail over here in our Google Sheet till the USP. So let me add the details. And here you can see I have successfully added a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, and as soon as I've added the detail over here till this USP, then automatically you can see a pitch generated has been added over here under this particular column. So this is the pitch generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as convert pricing sheets into sales pitch scripts using AI. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on the screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets as I am adding new details in Google Sheets. So Google Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that when I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting the trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the Google Sheet that I've already created with the name Sales Pitch, and then I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward with the connection, firstly I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheet till USB. Alright, so let me add the details. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, and now here I'm going to build the connection between my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So here, to build this connection, you need to install an add-on on your Google Sheets account first, and for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here in this add-ons you need to select get add-ons. And now here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on on your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So I'm going to move back. And here, after installing this particular add-on, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now after installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Okay, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and then you'll be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from here you need to select initial setup. Now here under this initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and then here is asking for the trigger column. So it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheet, you can see my last data column in which I'm going to add the data is column E. So I'm going to add my trigger column as column E, and then I'm going to click on this submit, and it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building the connection, we are going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to our webhook URL. That means to our Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so let's go and check it. And here, before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and from here you need to turn on the send on event, so that whenever you're going to add a new detail over here in our Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of this. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the USP trigger column, target audience, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, product name, price and key benefit. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received all the details to our Google Sheets, and automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate a sales pitch for me. So for that, I am going to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, it should generate a sales pitch for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select a new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, is asking me to enter the API token. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys available over here. So I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is sales pitch. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model as per your need, and then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper sales pitch for me. Alright, so let me add the relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a relevant prompt, but I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as product name, key benefit, target audience, price, and the USP. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever you're going to receive a new detail over here in our Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the product name, I'm going to map the product name. Here for the key benefit, I'm going to map the key benefit. Here I'm going to map the target audience. Here I'm going to map the price of the product. And then here I'm going to map the USP as well. Alright, so now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire pitch generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the pitch automatically, I want to add the pitch generated in my Google Sheets under this specific column that I've created with the name pitch generated. So for that, let me all take you back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to add another action step, and again here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. And this time I'm going to select my action event as update a cell value, so that after generating the pitch, automatically that pitch should be added over here in my Google Sheets under a specific column. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection because I've connected my Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect in a trigger setup. And this time I'm going to build this connection in a action setup. Alright, so for that I'm going to add a new connection over here. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name sales pitch. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as sales pitch, and then here is asking me to select the sheet. So I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then here it is asking me for the range. So it says enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. Here example C5, that is column name plus row index. So here you can see the column name is column F. So I'm going to add the column as column F, and then here for the row index, I'm going to map the row index from the response that we have received from our Google Sheet. So here I've manually entered the column name because it is going to remain static, that means fixed, and here I've mapped the row index because it is going to change within the automation runs. Alright, so that's why I've mapped the row index over here, and then here is asking me for the value. So in this value field, I need to enter the value that I want to update in my Google Sheets. So I'm going to map the pitch generated by OpenAI. Alright, so now after adding all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully updated the pitch generated by OpenAI in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added the pitch generated over here in our Google Sheets, and here you can see the entire pitch generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Sheets and an action as OpenAI and Google Sheets, so that when you're going to add a new detail over here in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the sales pitch script, and after generating the script, automatically that is going to be updated in our Google Sheets under that specific column. Alright, so these were the steps to how to convert pricing sheets into sales pitch scripts using AI. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.com www.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.